Hello everyone. We are going to make a stupid decision and play White Noise on Nightmare
This was
Mode.
my stupid decision.
And we're... shut up. This is my idea now. I'm taking control. I'm king of this.
Well, fine, fuck you.
I did the intro, I do it. It's mine. Anyway. Yeah, we got Reaper, Cody, and then we got Hunter, and then we got me, Lonely Lone Support.
I like how you just name me as my real name and you don't... Fuck you.
Fine, you're dragging. You want it? I'll include numbers. It'll be number 2. Number 2. Fine.
I'll be poop.
Oh.
You racist bastard.
How's that racist? Oh dear God. Okay. That's okay.
Oh hey, I like it. It looks... Well, it looks more pretty. Hey.
Oh my God, your legs.
Well, what's wrong
They're
with my
like
legs?
turkeys. What? Hey,
Why
Shaggy,
are you bumping
how's it
and
going?
grinding on me? Hey, Shaggy.
Ooh.
Help.
Oh
Pedophile.
crap, where are you guys?
Oh. Alright, we're gonna kill each other this way, so let's continue. So let's follow the path for the taste that surely shows. And that taste happens to be blood. What? What are you guys doing?
You know it'd be funny.
Can we go now before you start to annoy me? God. Oh look, the mouth of a caveman.
Oh, brilliant, let's enter.
It's the temple of my brother. And I hear a recording. Oh. Oh no, that's a temple thingy. Where'd you guys go?
Turn around. There you are.
Oh.
Alright.
I was like, where'd you guys go? We're really gonna die.
Are these hippopotami?
No, they're obviously not hippo because they're...
Are they hippo?
You know what they could be?
Like
I was gonna say they're like a chameleon.
Is it hippopotamus or hippopotami?
Hippopotamus.
Alright. Just wanted to be sure.
I'm not even sure myself. I like how Shaggy is. I love how Shaggy went gothic.
I'm just messing with you.
Oh, that's a statue.
Yeah, it's a statue.
I don't want any part of it. Look out. Oh, they're so pretty, Leon. Let's continue before we die.
It's the Aurora.
Yes, but our battery is in something extra bottom.
I can't see any.
Yeah. I can see a sign.
I have to have my volume up or else I can't hear you guys. This is gonna suck. Let's go blank.
Oh man, let's go blank. Yeah, everything's blank,
Get off
so
my-
it's no point. What?
Crap. Where did Cody
Cody?
go? He ran this way so much. I swear to God, we need a lead. Oh, God damn it. Oh, there he is. You're gonna make me put a leash on you, you little bastard.
You doomed us all. You doomed us. Why do you do this, Shaggy? Why do you do this?
Where's Scooby? Did we have to eat him? Do you think like we're in an abandoned area?
Oh my God, I don't like that noise. Oh, I don't like that noise.
It's okay, turkey legs. I'm here.
Oh! Fuck you, Cody. Fuck you.
A windmill. The dust must be here.
It's obvious.
Whoa, run! Oh shit! Fucking Dutch. Oh god. Oh, nope. The whole one. Please, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Oh yeah, I hate you, Cody. I hate you.
Guys, I know this is a gone off the orbit time, but I'll be right back.
No! What? Screw it! No, I'm staying by my friend. No, David, don't. Like, no, will save me, my friend. No, this is a horrible time to do this. This is very unprofessional. Okay, I'm leaving him. Screw it. I'm out of this. Out of this peanut stand. Just watch it from afar.
I didn't tell anyone we were recording. What? I didn't know we were recording, so I had to go. Grab my buns, it's okay. What? I'm not looking that way, I'm looking. What have you guys found?
Good thing Nathan's there. Oh, I found it.
Is the game playing through the TV? Through my mic, guys?
Yeah.
Oh. No, I should tell.
Might want to turn that down. At least a little bit.
Oh, I did. I didn't know. I hope it doesn't mess with the recording. Nope.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Remember what happened? Oh my God, he's coming for us! He's coming for us, guys!
Oh yeah, I think it's a good idea. Remember what happened last time?
Guys, he's coming towards you guys.
Oh, hey, buddy. How's it going?
Would you like to worship Allah with us?
Nope.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
I can't sprint. Guys, don't leave me.
Jesus, I'm here with you.
Okay.
I don't know, but I don't want to go back.
What?
Turkey legs has become chicken legs.
Run, turkey leg, run.
I'm swimming.
No, we can't. We're afraid of water.
I scream like just a little girl.
Alright.
He's chasing me.
Oh, shit.
Please get us out of here. This is horrible. I'm gonna get nightmares.
I'll put man face on. Man face is okay?
Alright. I'm putting on my man face.
Got it.
Putting on my man tie.
Yeah.
On my man tie.
The sound I just heard just made everything. I was gonna say
Oh, yep, he's still here. Hello. Hello, Mr.
great.
Cabin. The cabin in the woods. My light's flickering. Oh!
Nope. Guys, you got that.
right behind me. I can feel it in my bones. Oh! Just run, dude! Just run with your lazy legs. You remember the day where we used to say this game is that scary? Ooh, no! Oh, no, Dragon, man! Game over, man! Game over! I'm right on your butt. I'm grabbing you. Remember when I said he was behind me? Yep. Yeah, I'm right behind you guys.
Cody, no worries. I'm grabbing your ass right now, and there's something like really warm, like unusually warm. I better not fight it.
Okay,
I just said something. Oh god.
Now I'm what? I don't see it. Well, it's because I'm dead.
I'm just gonna follow Dragon. He's gonna lead me to Cody. Don't look at me.
Well, so mean. Here I am, Casper the friendly douchebag, trying to get some normal footing. You Drake being an ass. Drake, Nathan being an ass.
Oh, and Cody's here too. You are right. Oh, okay.
Well, for you guys, I'm fine.
Yeah, like,
again with the turkey leg. Well, since I died, yeah, you should probably go right.
no. So, Dragon, what's the spirit world?
Oh, you know, dead.
Oh god, I hear that.
Oh, David, no! Follow Cody. We'll save you, Cody.
Hey, see you guys.
Is he just chasing you now?
I'm gonna just chill out with the cloud of mine. It's me.
Hey, Nathan, I'd like your new ghostly button.
Thank you. Excuse me?
Ghost button.
Oh.
Oh, that's it sounds hilariously funny if you say it.
Yeah, and the ring. Let's keep going.
Sounds hilarious.
Okay. I love you too.
Dude, he got grabbed from behind. Like he was grabbing your butt. Apparently that guy did not like him.
Oh, like you're just trying to...
Josh. You want to go to blank, blank or blank? Or
Now
death?
that I'm dead, I just have to be fun on life. It's a new thing.
Yeah, it's called being invisible sucks.
Yeah. Feels great.
Nathan, turn around and look at me.
Guys, do George's too. Look at these rocks. These rocks are just the coolest looking rocks ever. You should just enjoy the fact that they're rocks.
Nathan, you have no eyeball. Even though you
Don't tell me that.
Jesus. Like, you dissed all my turkey legs. How is our flashlight? What? Well, he's probably breathing down your neck. Don't worry, Cody. We're right behind you.
Yeah, we
Right
are.
behind you.
I'm grabbing your butt.
We're squeezing your butt cheeks, Jen.
Squeeze harder.
Nothing makes guys feel better than having two ladies squeezing their butt cheeks.
Especially if they're ghosts, right?
Yeah. Ghostly.
Okay.
butt cheeks.
Okay, I'm not the only one.
Well, look at the bright side. We still have our flashlights somehow. Is that right?
I don't have my phone.
Yes, we do. Look at my camera.
Oh yeah, you're still holding.
Yeah, you are too.
Just hold your hand down.
Here, let me see.
Oh shit, okay, now oh, we're not close to this one.
How did we even get into the middle of the woods somehow? There's no car, there's no nothing. It's like we were airdropped in.
Forgot that it care package.
It's like the military, like we're dropping 3 idiots in a captain. Just dive. Cody's turning into a pro douchebag. Don't say it like it's a bad thing, man. We're your best friend.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Well, that's because I got grabbed in the butt.
Yeah, and I got
I was defending me.
No, you weren't. You were like screaming your head off, running away.
I was totally defending you.
It's because you failed in your duty to protect my ass. I died.
Well, I died. I died
Exactly.
before you, so
That's what
I
I mean, but
believe
you
I did
failed.
a good job. Shut up. Don't.
You did the best. Hercules.
Don't make me bring up the Scooby-Doo incident.
No, you do not talk about Scooby like that. We had a thing,
Like,
and it's over.
No. Wait, what? I wasn't even talking about that, but oh crap. I was going to say you were just cannibalistic all over it, but now this is a little bit more interesting than I expected. He said I could. Bro!
It was a mutual agreement, alright?
It was a forced agreement.
Don't tell Shaggy. Stay away from Shaggy, don't tell him.
Shaggy.
He's friends with squirrels.
They'll find a little piece of crumbs. Hey, the guillotine!
Oh yeah, there's something over here that's guilty.
You're probably gonna die here, so just hang yourself.
Yeah, hang
That's the
yourself,
memorial.
I don't think it's over here.
I don't know, but I'm gonna hang myself on my ghostly head.
You're gonna die. Oh crap, we're leaving. We gotta get back to the bus.
Well, that's okay, no time.
Oh no! Well, we have a great game session, don't you think, guys?
I don't want to play this shit anymore. That was, Nathan. So, yeah, that's, well, that's white noise.
We went in a circle for like 20 minutes.
It was just us doing loop-de-loops.
What if Betty Hill was like playing? I like how I'll drag behind you, come back and pick me up.
Yeah, I couldn't stand on leaving you because you were like, I'll be right back. And I'm like, no!
No, I just pick the best times to go somewhere.
Okay, so, I'm gonna go ahead and do the exit outro. This was White Noise. This was purely terrifying. And no, I'm gonna do it now because I want to do something else other than lose my shit. My poor little heart can't take any more of this.
My poor little heart.
Shut up, Jason. This is my heart, not yours.
It's my heart too, man.
No, it's not. You wanted no part of this.